In the new C-Class, replace the dust filter of the AC. The work begins by bringing on the fender covers. On the passenger side, open the bayonet locks of the battery cover. Take the cover off and turn it around. The dust filter is housed on the back. We replace it. When installing the new filter, make sure of the correct installation position. This arrow helps. We continue with the replacement of the combination filter. To do this, move the passenger seat all the way back. Underneath the glove box, there are 2 screws that you remove. Once done, you can pull the trim downwards. Move it down until you can disconnect all the existing electrical connectors. Then take off the cover. Underneath this is the combination filter. You can take it out easily. Upon replacement, make sure of the correct installation of the filter. An arrow helps here too.